Hello. This is the next part of I think I'm calling it the Honda Rebel wiring relocate. This is going to be number 3. Right now, I put it all together. The last episode, I was figuring out how I'm going to hook up the starter relay. So I got everything pretty much wired up on that. Now I'm figuring out how I'm going to hold it down. So I'm going to use some baling wire, I believe. I've already drilled one hole. Now I'm going to drill another hole, put some baling wire over it, kind of twist it tight. And once I pull these wires back tight, it's not going to be able to go forward. It's not going to be able to go back. So I think that should work. So again, I'm just going to run these videos out without editing them and just show you how it works. It would be really nice if you guys could like and subscribe. The more people, if I can get 50 subscribers, I can start doing live stuff. And that's kind of my goal is I want to start doing live videos. You know, not scheduled, just kind of whenever I come in here, just push the live record button and away we go. Alright, so I got one hole in there, just kind of marking out where the next hole wants to be. Luckily, I can get my drill in there. I was thinking about how I was going to do this last night, and I came up with the idea of the baling wire trick, but I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get my my drill in there, but I can, and I think it's going to work out okay. We'll see how it goes. It's always I'm always changing things up. Can you see me down here? Oh, you can't really see me, but you get the picture. I'm down here. So I'm going to draw a line across here and figure out where I want to drill this. So it's going to be somewhere in like right here. So that's that. So now I got to move all my wires out of the way so I don't poke anything. All right, I'm pretty clear. So, and I grabbed this drill bit and drilled one hole, and I was like, oh, that's probably too small, but turned out the baling wire fits in there perfect. So let's try to drill another hole here. If I can't get my hand in here somehow, without breaking this darn drill bit. So I gotta kind of be careful not to go at too much of an angle. Haha. I got her. So now let's get some baling wire, wherever my baling wire ended up. I think this trick is gonna work. I do believe it's gonna work. I'm trying to keep these videos short. Right now we're at about 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna try to keep them at like 7 minutes or something like that. And then I'll just start over, you know. Because if I make these too long, you know, you guys aren't gonna wanna stick around while I keep rambling on and whatever. So I'll get this kind of where we want it. So I'm gonna bend it over this here thing, starter relay. That's kind of the shape, I believe. Don't have a lot of wiggle room here, so not a lot of wiggle room. I hope everybody's having a good day so far. My day's pretty good. We went to it's the morning here, and we went to the beach, walked around on the beach, and looking for agates here on the island. Kind of an overcasty day, kind of, you know, kind of rainy, but all in all, good day. Okay, so I got that wrapped around there real well. That seems to be the good angle. So now somehow I'm gonna have to feed this wire in there first. So we'll see how it goes. I'll try to get this in there the best I can. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I might have to drill a bigger hole. Oh, well, goodness gracious. I might have to drill a little bit bigger hole. So we're coming up on 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video, and I'll start over.